If you're looking to trade futures in 2025, two names pop up again and again: NinjaTrader and Tradovate. Both can get the job done, but they're built with different traders in mind. Let's break it down. First, NinjaTrader. Think of this as the Swiss Army knife for serious traders. It's been around for 2 decades and is known for detailed market analysis tools, from order flow and volume profile to tick-by-tick charting. You can also create your own automated strategies in CSR, backtest them against historical data, and fine-tune every part of your setup. It's free to explore on a basic level, but if you want advanced features, you'll need to subscribe or pay for a lifetime license. One catch: it's mainly a Windows app, so Mac users may need to run it through a virtual machine. The mobile app exists, but it's better for checking positions than doing full-scale charting or strategy work. Now, Tradovate. This is the newer, cloud-first option, designed to be simple and accessible. Since it's web-based, you can trade from virtually any device without installing heavy software. It offers clean charting, smooth integration with TradingView, and a pricing model that replaces per-trade commissions with a flat subscription, great for high-volume traders. It's intuitive, mobile-friendly, and quick to learn, but you won't find the same depth of custom coding or advanced analytics that NinjaTrader offers. Automation exists via APIs, but it's lighter and less customizable. Which one should you choose? If you're into advanced chart setups, algorithmic trading, or micromanaging every technical detail, NinjaTrader will feel like home. If you want something fast, flexible, and always available in your browser or on your phone, Tradovate is probably the better fit.